It's Tiffany Baby of Tiffany Baby TV, and you know where you tuned in. You should already be subscribed by now, but if you're a first-time viewer, welcome. Hit that button right now, sis. You don't want to miss this slay. I have a new banger coming to you from Zury. I hope that you're ready, because you're going to watch me work. Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing Rimi. I have Rimi in the color number 2. This is a double Dutch braid unit. It has the most beautiful curls at the end that I've ever seen. It does come with some really pretty gold detailing right there on the braids. That did come out of the packaging that way. And I'll go ahead and show you what she looks like in real life. Here she is. You guys, this hairline is not dense. I know that we've seen some of these boxer braid units and they look like helmets. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been super duper hesitant to review one of these units because I just don't know how good that they can look based on the fact that you can't really pluck those hairlines because you'll mess up the integrity of your braids. Now, if you want to take the braids out of this unit, you absolutely can, but I'm here for this style, you guys. This is so sporty and so cute and so fun. I cannot wait to get this on for you guys. I'm going to cut off the lace. I'm also going to be spraying this down underneath on the lace with my new Ebon Lace tint. This is in the color medium brown, and this is going to camouflage these knots like you guys would not believe. Make sure that you guys stay tuned to watch to the end to see the final results. Alright, so as I was cutting off the lace, I remembered that I forgot to tell you guys about cap construction, and this one does have a relatively unique cap, so I did feel like it was important to go back and share. This unit has a lace part that runs straight down the middle of those two braids from back to front. That's where we'll be spraying our lace tint. We also have two combs right in the front, that's right next to that part to keep that stable, and then you have two combs closer to the temples to help keep your ear flaps down. You also have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. There's also lace in the back of this unit, so if you wanted to glue that down in the back, you have that option. You actually have two combs in the back, not just one. You have two combs in the back with your adjustable straps. This is what the parting space looks like after I've sprayed it with the lace tint. I think it looks much more natural. Okay, so right onto my head, I'm going to give you my first impressions. This is so comfortable, you guys. It's definitely got some extra room, so if you had a lot of hair or if you have a larger head, this will definitely work for you. It's a lot more roomy than I was expecting it to be. This unit did have baby hairs, which I found to be quite excessive given the style, so I did trim the majority of those off. For example, you guys can see, I hope you can see how long they were and exactly how thick they were. I left some more of them over here on this side than I did on this side. I do feel like this is very secure based on the comb placement, and you don't need to glue this down. But for my security and for my preference, I'm going to be using the Got2b Blasting Freeze Spray just to help hold this lace down and to make sure that this doesn't shift or move. Before we glue it down though, I want to go ahead and give you guys a 360 and let you see what it looks like all the way around. Alright, you guys, this is the final look of Rimi. I love this, you guys. This is so cute. Do you guys see how not bulky these braids are? It actually looks like somebody pulled my hair back and braided them. It's not bulky on the sides. The density is awesome. It's lightweight. It's not heavy. It fits really comfortably. I love this. I can't find anything else great. I can't find anything bad to say about it. I didn't get any shedding. I haven't really gotten any tangling. I don't know if I'll be taking this down. If you guys really want me to take these braids down, I'll never be able to get them back in like this, but I'll do it for you guys. Make sure that you comment down below if you absolutely need to see Rimi taken down. I will do it. Make sure you let me know if you want to see that. I appreciate you spending some time with me. Thanks again to Beauty Nation for sending this over. I love this unit. These little gold accents on these braids are super duper cute. It's everything. I love it. I've said that 17 times now, but I love it. Thanks for spending some time with me. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Make sure that you hit that notification bell because I have some other slays that are going to be dropping here very soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Thanks for spending some time with Tiffany Baby TV today. Bye, friends.